Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to change your YouTube channel handle without any stress using just your phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. Then go ahead and click on search Google. Then type in studio.youtube.com. Hit enter. Then it's going to take you right here. Go ahead and click on continue to studio. So if you're accessing Studio for the first time on the web, you'll be asked to enter your YouTube channel username and password. What you need to do is to enter your username and password. After you log in to the account, they take you to the dashboard right here. Just zoom out right here. Zoom out until you get here. Go ahead and click on here. Then here you go. Let's zoom in again. So right here, you have to zoom out again. Then you have your handle right here. So by default, this is my handle right here. So for you to change your handle, just go ahead and click on here. Then you can delete the current handle and enter your new handle right here. So I can decide to change my handle right here. So once you enter your new handle, come right here and then be sure that the handle is available. If the handle is not available, you can see this red icon right here, and a suggested will be given by YouTube. So I can decide to add another figure right here to make it available. You can see it's still not available. You can go on and try as many as possible, different name, just like so. Let's check it. So you can see this one here is very much available. Once you are getting the one that is available, the next thing you want to do here, so once you have the one that is available, just like what you see right here, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and publish. Just come to the top right here and hit on publish, and your new handle will be published straight up on YouTube. It's that simple. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.